Heroes, private jets, polish. I look up to the sky, and now the world is mine. I've known it all my
Call yourself my brother?
Yeah, I do, actually.
Oh my God! I don't know what that was. Suplex.
You're nothing. You hear me? Nothing.
Oh my God.
Get up. Come on, get up.
The hammer. Oh my God. The hammer is just mutilating him right now. He is just tearing him apart. I mean, look at the size difference in these guys. There's no way this should be allowed. What did he do? Just send this guy out here to
He
get
calls
beaten?
himself my brother?
Oh my God. Oh my God. How is he able to stand? What in the hell was that?
I was gonna post it. I'm not gonna post it.
Okay, 11, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know what those were. Spike DDT. Oh my God. Oh my God. 1, 2. Man, that's one kick out. Oh, a slap to the face. This fight is personal.
Is that it? Is that it?
Oh, low blow kick, but I don't think anyone saw that. Trying to break his back. He's trying to break his brother's back. Oh my God. What is this? Oh, into no prevail. The Vise is just taking the hammer. Oh, he's stepping on his head. Oh my God. 1, 2. My God. Oh my. Does he submit? Watch for the tap. He's reaching. He should grab the rope, but oh my God. The power of the hammer is just too much for him. Oh my God. He's just leaving the vise lay in a puddle of sweat. All this perspiration, all this fighting, but to no prevail. Brother on brother. Nice try.
You think I'm Rico? I don't fall for that crap.
Oh my God!
Come on! Get up! Get up!
Let's go hamburger! Let's go hamburger! Oh, a hammer drop. Will that be it? Ladies and gentlemen, 1, 2, near fall. This has just been a bad match for the Vise. I don't know whose idea this was, but it was just, wow. Uh-oh. Oh my God, he's going high risk. Middle rope, middle rope. Oh wait, he's rethinking the situation. He's going up top, he's going high. Oh my God. Penthouse suite, here we go. 1, 2. A forearm, a flying forearm. My grandma jumps over the top rope a lot harder than that. She's dead. What is he working on now? Oh, he's trying to put him in the full, but he can't. Oh, he's locked it in. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is just a disaster waiting to happen. The hammer is up. But he's not up the whole way. Oh, wait. Oh. The Vise better just quit that roll-up crap. It's not working out for him. Let's get set up for it. Brain buster. I haven't seen one of those in a while.
Get up. Come on.
The hammer taunting his brother to get up, but I don't think he can.
Let's go. It's over.
Oh, the hammer. Oh, he hits his finisher. He hits his finisher. His brother is out.
Get up. I'm not done yet.
I don't think he's going to get up from that.
Get up.
Why doesn't he just cover him? Oh my God.
Get up.
He tells him to get up, but he kicks him back to the ground.
Get up.
Oh my God, not another one. Not another one. Oh my God. This is just getting out of control. Wait. Oh, he's not going for the cover yet. This is out of control. I don't know what's going on here.
Up on your feet.
Oh my,
Come on!
how is he able to stand?
Get up!
Oh my God, not a third one. This is it for Jimmy Vise. This is it. This will end his career, damn it. No! No, don't do it! You'll end his career! Oh, wait! Wait! Oh my God, who got the worst out of that one? Oh my God! Oh, he's got him 1, 2! Oh my God! A kick out by that end. Oh no. How is he walking? Am I really that bad? Oh, block kick.
Come on, Coleman!
Oh my God. You can tell these two are brothers, they fight like it. One won't let the other one win. It just has to be their way. Oh my God. How was he able to withstand all that weight on his chest and his back?
Roll him up, Jim.
Oh my God. Jimmy the Vise. Eric the Hammer. The Coleman brother. Oh my God, was that a reversal or what? One, two, three, that's it, ladies and gentlemen, your winner, Jimmy the Vise Coleman.
Tell Mom and Dad that you're sick of me now. Hamburger.